Good morning, children. In previous class, we discussed exercise 5.3 1 to 7 problems, children. Today, let us going to solve remaining problems from this exercise. See here, 8th problem. In the figure, angle ABD. ABD means, where is that angle here, children? This one. ABD equal to 3 into DAB. They given one relation. ABD equal to 3 into DAB. And angle BDC is 96 degrees. BDC means angle D. BDC is nothing but angle D is 96 degrees. Find ABD. ABD means we can find out this angle. Understood? See here solution. Given one condition they given. What is that? Angle ABD equal to 3 into DAB. Angle BDC equal to 96 degrees. Angle BDA. BDA means, children, BDA means this angle. Understood? Angle BDA equal to 180 minus 96. Why? Because these two angles form a linear pair. Means sum of two adjacent angles is equal to 180 degrees. 180 minus 96. That value is nothing but 84 degrees. Understood? Angle BDA equal to 180 minus 96. This angle is nothing but 84 degrees. Now let DAB. DAB means this angle is equal to x, children. Angle ABD equal to 3 into x. Why? Because by using this condition, DAB, now let DAB equal to x. Angle ABD equal to 3 into x is nothing but 3x. Now we know three angles from this triangle BAD. We know three angles. One angle is x, one angle is 3x, and one angle is 84 degrees. Understood, children? In any angle, sum of three interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. So angle DAB is nothing but angle A, angle B plus this angle BDA or ABD plus is equal to 180 degrees. This angle is, angle B means x, angle A is 3x plus this angle we can find out, angle BDA, that value is equal to 84 degrees is equal to 180. X plus 3x equal to 4x plus 84 is equal to 180. 4x equal to 180 minus 84. That value is nothing but 96. X equal to 96 by 4. 96 by 4 means, see here children, cancellation. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 1 is there, 1 6, 16, 4 fours are. X equal to 24 degrees. X is nothing but, we can assume DAB. DAB means this angle is x, means that is 24 degrees. ABD. ABD means this angle, this is nothing but ABD, that value is nothing but 3x, means 3 into 24. 24 3s are 72 degrees. But according to our problem, we can find out angle ABD. ABD means 72 degrees. Understood, children? In this, we can use only linear pair property. Now see next problem. In triangle PQR, what is the triangle name? Triangle PQR, angle P equal to 2 into angle Q. They given one relation in this problem also. And 2 into angle R equal to 3 into angle Q. Calculate the angles of triangle PQR. We don't know at least one angle also, but they given two relations. By using the relation, we can find out the angles. Given that angle P equal to 2 into angle Q and 2 into angle R equal to 3 into angle Q. By using the second condition, see here children, now I can write here angle R equal to 3 by 2 into angle Q. 3 by 2 into angle Q. Now we know angle R value, angle P value, angle Q directly we write like that only. Angle R in the form of angle Q only, angle P also in the form of angle Q. See here, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is nothing but 180 degrees. Why? Because sum of three interior angles is equal to 180 degrees. Angle P means 2 into angle Q. Angle Q means, I can write like that only. Angle R means 3 by 2. Angle Q is equal to 180 degrees. In these three angles, angle Q will be common. So that's why I can write here Angle Q is common. 2 plus 1 plus 3 by 2. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. 3 plus 3 by 2 means by doing LCM here we can get 2. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 by 2. Angle Q into 9 by 2 is equal to 180. Angle Q equal to this 9 by 2 transposing from LHS to RHS, it converts to 2 by 9 children. 9 ones are 9, 20s are 180. So 22s are 40. What is the angle Q? Here we can get angle Q is equal to 40 degrees. Angle P equal to 2 into angle Q. Angle P equal to 2 into angle Q means 2 into angle Q we can get here how much? 40 degrees. So 42s are 80 degrees. What is the angle P? Here we can get 80. And angle R is equal to 3 by 2 into angle Q. 3 by 2 I can write here as it is. Angle Q means 40. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 0 I can write as it is. 23s are 60. Here angle P we can get how much? 80. Angle Q 40. 80 plus 40 120. Angle R 60. 120 plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. Sum of three angles, interior angles of a triangle is also equal to 180 degrees. So our solution is correct. We don't know at least one angle also in these triangles, but we know the relation between these three angles. Understood children? Now see next problem. If the angles of a right angle are in the ratio of 1:4:5, find the angles. They did not given angles, but they given ratios. Already previous one problem we discussed, same problem. But again see here children, the given ratio between the angles of a triangle is 1:4:5. What is the sum of the ratio? 1 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 10. Therefore, first angle. What is the first angle? What is the first ratio? 1 by 10 into 180. 1 by 10 into 180 means 10 ones are 10, 18s are. 18 ones are equal to 18. Now, second angle. 180 into what is the second ratio? 4. 4 by 10. 10 ones are 10, 18s are. 18 fours are 72. Again, third angle. What is the ratio of third angle? 5. 5 by 10 into 180. That value is equal to 90 degrees children. What are the three angles of the triangle? 18 degrees, 72 degrees and 90 degrees. Understood children? These are the three angles of a triangle. Now, see next problem. The acute angles of a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means in name only there. In the right angle triangle, one angle is right angle. Remaining two angles are acute angles children. The acute angles of a right angle triangle are in the ratio 2:3. We don't know the angles, but they given only ratio of remaining two acute angles. One angle must be 90 degrees. Why? Because it is a right angle triangle. Now we can find out the remaining two angles. Those are the acute angles. But they did not give in the angles. They given ratio. Find the angles of the triangle. It is a right angle triangle. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Already I can write here symbol. Now angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degrees. Why? Because sum of three angles is equal to 180. Already angle B is 90. 180 minus 90 is nothing but 90 degrees. But we don't know angle A and angle C. But sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degrees. What is the ratio of these two acute angles? 2:3. Sum of the ratio is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Second angle is, what is the ratio? 2. 2 by, what is the sum of the ratio? 5 into 90. Why? Because I can write here 90 children. Sum of these two angles only 90 degrees. Understood? Already we know one angle. So we can find out remaining two angles only. So that's why I can write here 90. 5 in 5 ones are 5. 5 18s are 90. 18 2s are 36. This is the second angle. That is nothing but angle A. And third angle is, what is the ratio? 3. 3 by 5 into 90. 5 ones are 5 18s are. 18 3s are 54. This is the angle C. Once we can add these two angles children, 54 plus 36. 54 plus 36, that value is nothing but 90 degrees. Already angle B is 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Understood children? The given ratio, by using that ratio we can find out the remaining two acute angles of the given triangle. Understood children this problem? Now see next one. In the figure, triangle PQR. What is the triangle name here? The given children, triangle PQR. Triangle PQR is a right angle at angle Q. So that's why I can write this symbol here. And ML parallel to RQ. ML, I can draw a one line here. ML parallel to RQ, and LMR is equal to 130 degrees. LMR is equal to 130 degrees. Find angle LPM and angle PML and angle PRQ. See these figures children, what they given. See here. This is a triangle. What is the triangle name? PQR. Q is 90 degrees. Why? Because they given PQR is a right angle at Q, ML parallel to RQ. This is one more line. This is ML parallel to RQ. These two lines are parallel lines. And angle LMR. LMR means this angle. How much they given? 130 degrees. This is 130 degrees. Find LPM. LPM means we can find out this angle children. And PML. PML we can find out this angle also. And PRQ. PRQ means we can find out this angle. Understood children? By using the given figure. See here in solution, given triangle PQR is a right angle at Q. Already we know one angle Q equal to 90 degrees. ML parallel to RQ. And angle LMR is equal to 130 degrees. But what is this angle children? LMP. PML is equal